Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, we talk about something you do every single morning. You choose your clothes. But maybe that choice is more powerful than you think.
Most people believe clothes are for other people. You dress up so others see you well. But that is only half the story. The first one who reads your clothes is not others. It is your own brain.
My brain reads my clothes?
Yes. Every time you pass a mirror, every time you sit at your desk, your brain asks a quiet question. Who am I right now? What am I here to do? Your clothes answer that question before you speak one word, before you drink one sip of coffee.
So clothes send a signal to ourselves.
Exactly. Think of it like a switch. Work mode, rest mode, focus mode. Your clothes flip that switch. Most of us never think about that. We just grab what is near and then wonder why the day feels heavy.
That is so true. I do that every morning.
Picture a Monday morning. Your alarm goes off. You feel slow, you feel heavy. You reach for the nearest thing on the chair, yesterday's clothes, soft, easy. You sit at your desk, but your body still thinks it's in bed. The work does not start. You think the problem is you, but it's not you. Your brain never got the signal to begin.
Oh, that's me every single Monday.
Now, picture a different morning. You have something important today. You open your closet carefully. You choose something that feels right. You stand a little taller. You speak a little clearer. Did the clothes give you new skills? No. They told your brain one thing. You are ready now.
So the clothes don't create something new. They wake up what's already inside.
In 2012, two scientists ran an experiment. They gave people a white coat. Same coat, exactly the same. But they told one group it was a doctor's coat. They told the other group it was a painter's coat. Then they gave everyone the same test.
Wait, the same coat but different results?
The doctor's coat group did much better. Same people, same coat, different signal. The brain changed because the signal changed. This idea has a name. Scientists call it enclothed cognition. Do not worry about that big word. It simply means this. Your clothes talk to your brain.
Your clothes talk to your brain. I will remember that.
And you wear more than just fabric. You wear a role. The doctor's coat carried a signal. Careful, focused, no mistakes. The moment you put it on, your brain moved into that role. Not because the coat had magic, because your brain trusted the signal.
Careful, focused, no mistakes, like a doctor thinks?
Exactly. Now think about working from home. During the pandemic, something strange happened. People wore a work shirt on top, pajamas on the bottom, just enough for the video call. Half professional, half pajamas. People called it the Zoom mullet.
Half professional, half pajamas? That was me for 2 years.
It sounds funny, but the brain was not laughing. The brain received two signals at the same time, work and sleep. So it could do neither well. People felt tired but could not rest. People tried to focus but could not start. At night, they still felt like work was not finished. The clothes were creating noise inside the mind.
That explains so much. And most people blame themselves, right?
Every single time. I have no energy. I have no motivation. But the problem was never inside them. The problem was the signal. Wrong signal, wrong brain, wrong day.
It was never about being weak. The signal was just wrong. I want to stop here for a second. Everyone watching right now, think of one piece of clothing. One that makes you feel strong and ready, or one that always pulls you down? Write it in the comments below. We read every single one.
There is an old teaching that wise people across many cultures have shared. The outside shapes the inside. What you do with your body changes what happens in your mind. When you choose your clothes with a plan each morning, you are not doing it for others. You are teaching yourself who you are today.
Many people change clothes for work, but never change clothes for rest.
Yes, and that is where the system breaks. Clothes tell the brain to work. Clothes tell the brain to rest. The signal works both ways. If you wear work clothes to rest, your body cannot fully stop. If you wear rest clothes to work, your brain cannot fully start.
So we need different clothes for different modes.
Now, what can you do tomorrow morning? Something very small, not a new wardrobe, not a big change, just this. Before you reach into your closet, stop. 10 seconds, only 10. Ask yourself one question. What do I need today? Pick one word, just one. Focus, calm, strength, rest. Then choose the clothes that match that word.
Really? Just 10 seconds?
The brain does not need a long process. It needs one clear signal. 10 clear seconds can change your whole morning.
What about clothes that feel bad, old ones, uncomfortable ones?
Remove them, not because they look bad, but because every time you see them, your brain spends energy on them. Energy you need for better things. You do not need more clothes. You need fewer, but clearer.
Simple closet, clear mind.
Here's what I want you to remember today. Say this slowly with me. I do not wear clothes. I wear my mindset.
I do not wear clothes. I wear my mindset.
It means this. Every morning you choose who you want to be today. That's not showing off. That's wisdom.
I will say that tomorrow morning in front of my closet. If today's video helped you think differently, please subscribe and leave a like. Members get a PDF of today's key ideas. The link is just below.
Next time, we explore why some people grow stronger in silence while others fall apart.
You won't want to miss that one. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.